I'm losing my voice and the day hasn't even started yet. Vlogging today, I just got in the car to head to Fuelfest, Arizona, and I am super excited. As you guys know, I work with Fuelfest, so this is going to be more of a work day for me, but I also will be showing the car there, which is going to be fun, so I'm excited to have the car, stuff like that. I do have a little bit of a drive. It's about 40 minutes away at Firebird Motorsports Park, and as you guys can tell, I am losing my voice, and that is because I've been sick for the last week. I was trying everything to get better for today, and nothing helped, and I've been feeling like crap, so hopefully I will feel better. But yeah, wish me luck today. Let's get on the road and head to Fuelfest, Arizona. First stop is gas, and then I'm gonna head straight to Fuelfest. All right, guys, we are here in line. Let's go park.
Part of the exhibit?
I am, yeah, but I'm also employee, but I guess it doesn't matter.
Yep. Go all the way down, follow to your right.
Thank you. I have to pee. This is not the vibe. No, I'm gonna drive in dirt. Are you kidding? Oh, it's not what I wanted. All right. We are in line, and I have to pee really bad. Not that anyone needs to know that, but like, you guys, this is the line. It goes here, up, and then all the way around, and then ends up over there. So, and keeps going. So, yay. You guys, I was found, and I'm cutting the line now, so that's good. What the heck? This guy's just driving with his DeLorean door wide open. There are quite the variety of builds here today. I need to figure out where they're having me park, because last year I parked with Jada Toys because the whole diecast thing with the Camaro. But this year I'm kind of like, I'm down to park wherever, so I'll see where they park me. I don't know yet, but we're about to pull up, so that's exciting. Mic is on, good to go. Oops. Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
What's up? What do we got?
Hi, what's poppin'?
Oh, it's good.
Got our badge ready for today. My voice, however, not good.
Throw this on your dash to be parked right by the stage.
Okay.
And you're all set.
Thank you. I'll see you later.
See you later.
I'm getting stopped. Hello.
It's finally nice to like see you in person, because we've
What was your name?
Nismo Nick.
Oh, hi. Nice to meet you.
How are you?
Oh, okay, how are you?
I want to talk to you.
Okay, sounds good.
And I always see you zipping around like on
Yeah.
Bell Road.
Yeah, and I'll be here all day today, so.
Car looks good.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. All right. Don't let the camera fall today.
Hi, Autumn.
Hi.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Yeah, just go straight down.
Okay, sounds
Thanks.
good. Thank you. Alright, I'm trying to move the seatbelt so the mic doesn't get covered up, but hi!
Look at who it is. I love that car.
Thank you! Did you guys get that? I don't know if you could hear that on the mic. Every time I pass people and they look at me, they always go, "That's that one girl." Just like clockwork, you know? Let's see where they park me. Hi!
Beautiful, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good
Nice to see you.
Follow me, I got you.
All right.
Is that Autumn? Is that Autumn? Oh, the purple pin, I see him!
All right, where are we heading to?
Fuelfest fam rolling in, I see you, car show getting it in.
Perfect, huh?
How's things?
Good?
Yeah?
I'm
Staying
sick
busy or
today, so I'm trying to, I know, I need to get through the
Get some fresh air,
day.
though. Get some fresh
I
air.
know, I need the sun,
Yeah.
move around, I'll be okay.
Oh, yeah. Sweet. We're glad to have you.
Nice
as
to
always.
see you.
All right.
Guys, we're here. I need to go pee so bad. But I have my backpack, I have all my camera, everything good to go. We got the all access pass per usual. I usually forget this, but I was good today, so that's good. Yeah, I'm gonna get out, go find a bathroom, figure out the layout of this show, and then we're good. So let's get the day started. All right, guys, so the cool thing about today is I'm gonna be donating a few of my die casts. I'm gonna sign them, donate them to Row, and then they'll be sold off for auction. So I need to figure out where to bring these really quick. All right, guys, I'm at the show. I'm trying to figure out where to drop off these die casts, so let's figure that out. I think VIP, so let's see. All right, signed.
My dashboard later.
Yeah, I can come do it right now if you want. All right, guys, now I finally went to the bathroom. Oh my gosh, my voice. I'm gonna go backstage and show you guys a little maybe backstage tour or something. I don't know. I spy my car over there. All right, guys, let's go backstage. I don't know how much of this I can film because the music is copyrighted. All right, this is what it looks like. Nothing fancy right now. Let's head to the back, see what's poppin'. Nothing at all. Empty. I guess we'll come back later and see who's back here. But for now, I'll just go back and see the show. Let's go see the show. All right, guys, walking through the show, I just started. So I've been getting stopped every 20 seconds though of if the Camaro was ever found. So that's always the topic of conversation. Hi!
Are you vlogging? Are you talking?
I'm vlogging!
Are you talking to your camera and all your millions of people? Oh my goodness, how are you?
Good, how are
so good
you?
to see you.
Nice
Congrats
to see
on
you.
the ride. It looks absolutely
Thank you.
spectacular.
Good, how are you?
Doing well? We're
Nice
here.
to see you again.
Nice to see you.
That'll be interesting.
You've never
though.
wanted to be a lucha?
Really? You think so?
Yes. Yes.
No.
I see you like from the top rope just
Yeah, no, definitely not.
That'd be hilarious.
strike a pose. in
That would be
midair.
funny
Oh yeah.
though. Seeing Zeal 1's Camaros, it makes me so sad, but it's okay. It could be worse.
I know where to park. Got it. Awesome. Thank you. I appreciate it so much. Yep, you're good to go.
Alright guys, I was hanging out at like car check-in for a little bit, but now I really need to go do my job, which means film content for Fuelfest TikTok. So let's go do that. And I really need to think of new ideas. Guys, we have Barrett Jackson We have Barrett Jackson unloading behind me. They have two zero mile cars. They have the Viper and then the 911, I think Turbo over there. Hi, Autumn. Hi, how are you? Okay, I lost my train of thought. You guys, they parked another G80 next to me, so I guess we can go check it out. All right, guys, little update. I am not doing too well. I'm like getting really hot, and I don't know if I have a fever or what, but I brought Dayquil with me, so I'm gonna take that.
Hey, I was wondering if you could sign my car.
Where is it?
It's right here, the Camaro.
Okay, give me 1 second. I'll go over there and sign it. Lord, give me strength to get through this day.
The trip sponsor. Get the truck going already. It's lining up. I got a surprise for you later.
Alright guys, I'm gonna stop vlogging for a little bit so that I can regenerate and go do some work. I'll be back.
Wherever you want up there, it's open space.
Damn, we still got new cars smelling.
Is it scary signing cars?
A little bit.
Because I'm scared.
Yeah,
I'm
a
always
little bit. I'm
scared.
like, I
It's
really can't mess
nerve-wracking.
this up.
That's why I gotta get like the positioning and everything all right. Oh my god, here comes stress.
It's been a minute. I am still losing my voice more and more, so hopefully I don't lose it completely, but some nice person gave me a gift and he said it's a tribute to one of my older cars. So that's exciting. I wonder if it's gonna be like ZL1 or something. So I need to charge my camera, so let's go back to the car, open up this gift and see what I got. I also have to go meet someone with Row because I actually donated, I think I said this earlier, but I donated my Camaro ZL1 diecasts. I signed them to be auctioned off for charity. So let's go meet him really quick and then stop by the car. All right guys, so as I said, I auctioned off the car for charity. And it is right here. So basically anyone can basically come bid for it. And the starting bid is $40. And there's 2 winners because I did 2 cars. And basically he just explained it to me. All of the proceeds will go to Row. So perfect for anything for charity. But yeah, that's the car and that's the setup. And I am losing my voice. So let's go take a little break. And I need some water. I have my camera charged, but I have been going around the sponsors with Cody. If you guys saw my last Fuelfest vlog, you know what I do. So let's continue Cody's sponsor visits together.
Free selfie down here, absolutely.
Thank you. What the heck? Is that the Grinch? What the heck?
Yeah. It's like a snow cone, but a snow cone can taste like whatever flavors you put in it. It's good. It's very good. Cheers.
Rating out of 10?
What's that?
Rating out of 10.
Oh, that's an 11 for sure.
Oh, heck okay.
Yes. Honestly, my
Guys, it's getting so bad. Like, no one can even hear what I'm saying when I'm trying to talk. Entering VIP time. Whoa. Whoa.
you guys can make it next year.
Alright guys, so basically now we're in VIP and it's Cody's meet and greet time. My voice, but yeah. So cool.
Wherever we can to see it, even if it's in the car, I'm keeping them on. The car, you think it's okay?
Guys, let's go backstage. Alright guys, now we're on stage.
Now when I say street, y'all say sweeper. Street, sweeper, street, sweeper.
Wheels. Color after a Porsche. Automotive, and I was challenged to give a walkthrough of Autumn Spooner's G80 M3 like it's my own. So what we have here is a 4-door, so it's a G80 competition right here with the lovely AL13. It looks like A13, but I'm pretty sure they're AL13. Multi-piece wheels. We have matched calipers to the color. The color I am hoping is a Ruby Star pink red. We got carbon fiber. This is aftermarket. I'm hoping. These also. We got the Vorsteiner grills in the front. Oh, we have RK Tunes intakes as well, and then automatic, not manual. And there's no badge. Oh, so GCA exhaust down here, and we have no badging, so I'm assuming this is not an X-Drive car, and it's rear-wheel drive. And carbon roof as well. So there you have it. Now you know every single thing about Autumn Spooner's G80 M3. You guys are welcome.
Good? Okay guys, finally got to the unboxing that person gave me. So let's see what's in this box. Okay. I need like a key or something. Let's see if I can get this open. Alright. I don't know what it's holding on to.
Help her figure it out.
How do I open this? Oh. I thought it just like slides through, but I don't know.
So trying to cut this white off, maybe?
I don't know if I can tear it. You guys, this is taking a lot of people to open a box. Oh, is it?
Okay, yeah.
Oh, what How do you get this damn thing off? This isn't opening as good as I thought it was. What is this? It's a rose, you guys. I think it's glass or plastic. Thank you. You guys, we have wrestling here today. You can't make it up. You can't make it up.
Forever.
40 years.
Bondurant used to be here.
Right, and then the lease, because this is we're on reservation here. This is tribal land. So when their lease ended, they didn't renew it.
Got it.
So then they renamed it to Wild Horse Pass. And then I'm not sure.
Then it'd be a couple of years ago and flipped back.
A couple of years ago, it flipped back. Now it's
because there used to be Wild Horse Casino.
Yeah.
Was the Gila River Casino was actually called Wild Horse.
Oh, so it matched at the time.
It matched at the time because
Then
you went,
it's like,
you
well,
stayed over there, right?
Now it's Gila River.
That's why you get off of Wild Horse Boulevard.
Yep.
Yeah. You have a couple of young fans here. I mean, look at these guys.
Aww. Hey, if you guys can hear me, we're doing backstage and